our 3 glass door merchandiser refrigerator. First off, I will show you the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have at least 72 inches. The height with caster wheels, we have at least 79.5 inches. That's the height. And depth, we're looking at 27 inches. Beneath is your Corel temperature controller. And included are keys for locking each door. Interior dimensions from left to right. We have at least 68.5 inches. The depth, we have at least 21.25 inches. And the height, we have at least 53.5 inches in height. Included will be a total of 12 shelves, 4 for each section. And the measurement for each shelf will be 19.25 inches in depth and 21 7/16 in length. Those are the measurements for each shelf. Located here is your 110 120 voltage. Come up here, the sticker diagram with the ETL certification. Our 3 glass door merchandiser refrigerator. For all questions, give us a call and visit our website to browse and navigate our products. Thank you.